Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on Robinhood. By default, Robinhood already has 2FA enabled on all accounts. There's no option to turn it on or off. It's built in automatically. When you log in from a new device, you'll receive a prompt on your original device to confirm it's really you. You can also enable text message verification or explore other options in settings for added security. To update your phone number or email used for 2FA, go to your profile, tap the menu icon, and open settings. Under personal information, you can update your email, phone number, and other details to link to your account security. And that's it. That's how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication on Robinhood. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.